Hey, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys the proper steps that you need to go about when it comes to repaying your credit. The first thing you need to do is pull a copy of your credit report. You can get a free copy at inyourcreditreport.com. Now, if you do want to see your tri-merge credit report, meaning you can see all three credit bureaus side by side to pinpoint errors and accuracies, I will put in the description box where you can pull it for $1 at Identity IQ. Once you have pulled it, we're going to start off with your personal information section. In this section, you want to make sure that you have one name, one date of birth, one address, one social, one employer. This is so important because a lot of people go into disputing and they don't have this information updated. And say you have some debt that you're trying to get removed and you have this old address on your credit report that's tied to that debt. You can't get it removed because it's tied to that debt. Now, if you get that old address removed that's tied to that debt, it's super quicker to get that debt removed. So again, you want to make sure that all of this information that's in your personal information section is updated. I recently just did a video on how to go about removing all of that personal information. If you haven't watched it, you can simply call the credit bureaus and have this information removed. That's the fastest way, and it takes literally 24 hours. So call them, have them remove this information. Then you're gonna move into collections. Collections is super easy. You literally send debt validation letters through CFPB, and you can send it out certified to those collection agencies. Once you do that, y'all, I guarantee you those collections gonna be gone within a month, 2 months max. Gotta make sure you following up and you being consistent when following up to those collection agencies. A lot of times they do not have what they need to have in order to collect on their debt. And it's super easy to get those collections removed. Next thing is late payments. You need to make sure that you're paying your bills on time because this calculates a big part of your credit profile. Please pay your bills on time. If you know you're going to be late, you need to contact your creditor and work out some type of agreement. If you do have late payments on an open account, you need to contact that creditor, send a goodwill letter explaining why you were late, you will never be late again, and send this out weekly, send it out monthly, whatever you got to do to have the late payment reverse, do that. If it's a closed account, you need to challenge that directly with the credit bureaus to have that information removed or updated so you pay it on time. When it comes to charge offs, when we come back from Thanksgiving break, I'm gonna do a video explaining how you can get charge off removed from your credit report. What I have been using, it have been working for my client, but again, I'm gonna do that when we come back from Thanksgiving break. The next step is if you don't have anything that's currently helping you build your credit, you need to apply for like self kickoff. Apply it to them, y'all. You can simply apply for at least $10, $20. This will help boost your credit profile. If you don't have any credit in your name, you can also apply for a secure credit card. It's super easy. Like there's no way at all you should have bad credit. I'm definitely here to help. I recently had a girl, she didn't even need credit repair. She just simply needed to know her statement date versus her due date. I got on the call with her. I broke it down for each three credit cards that she had on what she needs to pay, and her credit score shot up to the 700. Start the beginning stages, and I'm here to help. I hope this video helps. I'll leave my information in the description box, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.